Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today I'm going to show you how to record voice call on Android step by step so you never miss an important conversation. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Call Dialer app. This is the app you can find in your apps drawer and it's where you make or receive calls. Opening this app is essential because it allows you to access all call features including recording. Step 2. From the menu, you can make a call or receive a call if you want to record a voice call on Android. This step is important because you need an active call to start recording, and knowing how to access incoming and outgoing calls makes the process smooth. Step 3. After the call is received, locate the More button on your screen. Tap on it, then choose the Record option to start recording the voice call on Android. Once your recording is done, you can stop the call or disconnect it, and the phone will automatically save your recorded call for future use. Step 4. For method 2, you can also enable the automatic call recording feature. Tap on the 3-line menu icon at the top left of your dialer app and then choose the settings option to proceed. This feature is useful because it allows all calls to be recorded without manually starting each one. Step 5. Within the settings menu, locate the call recording option and open it. Scroll down to find the automatic recording feature, then enable it. Once this is done, all incoming and outgoing calls will be recorded automatically and your setup is complete. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.